All right, so I got a new ping pong or tennis table to share today. This one is a fold-up, collapsible, portable one. And this one's from Garvee, I think it was. It does definitely have some weight to it. It's pretty durable. Now it's going to hold on just by these little clasps here. And then inside we're going to find our net and our paddle set along with 3 ping pong balls. Directions, which I don't think we're going to need it for this one. And this is going to work just like a fold-up table. You're just going to have to fold it out. This also does have adjustable legs or feet, so if you have an uneven floor. The center here, we got a leg as well. And then we just got to flip it over. And my ground is definitely uneven. One leg is like 6 inches off the ground. Now on the sides here, there's going to be a couple little spots where you can just screw these in. And this is going to hold the net. And then you're just going to slide the net over. All right, and after a couple of minutes, we have a table all set up. It does come with 2 paddles. The paddles are made of a wood, so it's actually not bad quality at all. And now you have a tennis table. I've never played like that, but now I'm not the greatest at this game. Wow, that's definitely uneven. Now I'm not the greatest at this game. I haven't played in like 20 years, but if you're looking for a tennis tabletop for you and your family and your friends or whatever, really easy to put together. It only takes a couple of minutes. You do get the paddles. You get 3 balls that comes with it. It's got the net and everything. Super easy to fold up when you're done. And overall, it just seems like a really heavy-duty, decent quality tennis table. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.